All right, fam. So today we're going to be trying out these appliance wipes by Active, and they are good for multiple things, honey. Dishwashers, microwaves, you name it, and so much more. So let's start off with the sink. And listen, one wipe goes a long way because you're going to see it right now. Look at the polish and shine on my chrome sink, honey. Okay, it is chroming, okay? It is definitely giving what needs to be gave. I was in awe. Look at my microwave. This thing is nasty, honey. You're going to see in a minute once I wipe this down. And this is straight from gate, honey. I'm going to get that handle as well. And look at what it is looking like. Child, I said, what in the world? Don't come for me on this stove, okay? Now, we just finished cooking and I need to wipe it off. And I want to see just how much dirt I can get with this wipe, okay? That's just the beginning. Now we're going to give it another once over. And I am absolutely in love with these Active wipes. Hope this helped.